want to be a paramedic? What do I want to be when I grow up? I want to be a paramedic. There is a lot to learn. I will need to learn about first aid. First aid can be given for a cut, an insect bite, a broken bone, and a skin burn. What do you think's happened here? He's got a cut to his arm. Paramedics help people who are in an emergency. An emergency can be life-threatening or it can be less serious.